How to locate the Designer online tool. It's super easy. You just need to log into our website and choose the product you need to create a design for. User interface breakdown. Inside the Designer tool, we have different options and settings to edit our design template. We have the top bar with copy, paste, delete, zoom layers, portrait, grid, margins, and other useful options. How to add text. To add or edit text is really simple. Just click the button text on your left panel, the first option. Click Add heading for titles, subheading for subtitles, and body text for regular text. You just need to edit the text as it appears on screen, so easy. How to add images. With our Designer tool, you can add as many images as you need. You can upload from your computer or mobile device, adjust its size, and center it on the canvas. Important reminder, do not upload low-resolution images you find online as they tend to print blurry in most cases. If you are not sure about your image, please contact us, and we will let you know if your image will likely print sharp. How to add clip arts and shapes. You can add some shapes or clip art from our gallery to enhance some elements of your design. You will be available to choose the fill and stroke colors, including additional options like rotation, opacity, alignment, and more. How to edit templates. If you don't have a design and you are no graphic designer, that's not a problem. For your convenience, we have a variety of templates available for certain products. Choose the one you like. How to add a background. To change the background for your own image or a stock image from Pixabay, you just need to go to the background, click it, and hit Replace. Then you can apply filters like black and white, vintage, and others. Click Adjustments to change the value of contrast, brightness, hue, and blur. Once you are satisfied with the effect on your image, hit Save to continue. You have the quick option to fit to canvas, so your background will fit the design accordingly. If you want to give it a greater appearance among the other elements in your design, you can change the opacity too. Additionally, you have more background options, like solid colors, which can be CMYK color adjusted. Lastly, you have background patterns. How to download a preview. On the right top corner on the left side of Continue, you have a button that says Preview. Click to download it. How to order. Once you are satisfied with your finished result, click the green button on the top right corner and continue to process your order. Review and check your order details and spelling before hitting the purchase button. Sit back and relax, knowing that your design is now being professionally printed by 215 Prints.